Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna learn about how to code on Linux. So first of all I'll give you a brief introduction about Linux operating system. We'll have a quick tour on the Linux and then we'll go to learn and see how we can code on Linux. So as you can see I have opened a Linux desktop. Here the first thing you need to install the Linux operating system on your computer. Maybe you can use your virtual machine or you can install a standalone system. So as of now I can recommend you to install a virtual machine. For that I can provide a link in the description section below. After watching this video you can just download and do your practice sessions on that. So let's get started. So first of all I'll tell you that what is Linux. Linux is an operating system that is widely used in the industry, IT industry you can say. It is the operating system which is used by the network administrators, DBAs, cloud administrators, or system programmers, system developers, anything. If you are developing an Android platform, this Linux operating system is knowledge is required. So basically I want to tell you this Linux knowledge is a desirable skill if you want to come to IT industry. So the only motive of my this video is I want to aware you people about how to code on Linux. So let's get started. So I'll give you just a quick tour about Linux. This is a Linux operating system and this is a desktop of Linux, and we have similar functionality as like Windows. As in Windows we have GUI options. Here in Linux also we have GUI options. This is one of the distribution of Linux, Ubuntu, and I'm running currently 14.04 LTS long time support version. And as you can see I can do whatever I have done on Windows and much more than that we are gonna see in coming section of this video. So in I will just show you the how to browse all these things. You go this is as exactly as what you can see in Windows. So all these things, directories and these things, that is not our focus area as of now. So this is the Linux system directory you can say. So we'll cover this part in later videos. So we'll first go and see how to code on Linux. So there is first and foremost thing that I want to tell you, that there is one very powerful tool and very powerful user interface of Linux that is very popular, that we called it as a shell. You can pronounce it as a command line interface. So we can just open from here. I have opened it now. So this is, we call it by many names like terminal or your shell or your bash or your command line interface. So this particular interface in Linux is very powerful. Most of the programmers use this command line tool only for their programming, for any operation, any interaction they want to do with the operating system. They generally use this interface. So I want to tell you about something, what are all important things you have to do in this bash. So there are some commands that you can see. Currently it is displaying you are a root user. I am a root user, and this is just a sample operating system. So the name of that operating system is sample. So we'll just do ls. Ls is the command to list out. Currently I am in the home directory. So if I do pwd, it will show you the present working directory. And if you do ls means to list. It is listing what and all present in your current directory. So in this command in this terminal we have uh, lot of commands, like around thousands of commands you can use on this Linux terminal to make your job easy to interact with your operating system, and it is really powerful. That you'll come to know in later part of later videos when I'll post more videos on like commands and other things. So let's get started. Here we have one quick editor. In this interface only you can just open that editor, that we call it as vi editor. Type vi and your file name. Just give a file name, hello dot hello. Okay, first I'll show you. So this is the vi editor. If we just run vi, it will show you all the information about that editor. So you can see this information here. There are some commands it's showing that type :q, enter to exit. I will type :q and I will exit. So this is the command to run the vi editor, and you have to give a file name to open the vi editor, and you open one file. Just enter. You can write anything, and you can do w for saving. If you do wq, save and exit, open it, it will be saved. You can see come out with q: q. So this is the basic things we are doing. So I'll tell you about now we'll come to the real topic, that how to code on Linux. So this is the terminal I'm gonna use for coding. I'm gonna use for writing a simple code, and I'll be using the vi editor for writing the code. So let's get started. I'll open one vi and I'll write a simple C program to demonstrate you how we can write here, and how we can compile it, and how we can run on Linux platform. So I will write one simple file, test.c. Open it. It's a new file showing. Anything you want to write, if you want to start writing, you have to press I on your keyboard. That is one command to insert anything. So the moment you press I, it will say insert. It has started for inserting. Now I can write. I will write simple, and was just simple program to demonstrate how to run that program and how to compile that program in Linux. So just write a print program. Okay. Print main. The guys who are seeing this requires very little knowledge to understand what code I am writing. It is really simple. I'm just writing one print statement. That's it. Hello Linux. Just exit. As a return type is int, I will return some value. That's it. And again I typed :wq to save and exit. If I write w, it will just save. If I write wq, it will just save and exit. Okay, so here is your program. You can again see it. It has been saved. Save, come out, q, exit. Now we'll see how to run this program. So for running a program, first that file has to be passed through a compiler, and it has to be generated. A binary has to be generated, right? So in Linux we have a GCC. We call it a GNU compiler collection. So this compilers comprises of lot of other compilers. This is a collection of compilers. So this is having C, C++, all other compilers here. So we'll just run it. See, it's saying no input. It needs a text program file, your CPP file or C file. Just give that program file here and enter. It simply generates a binary that will be named as a.out. It has generated the binary in the same directory. You can just do a ls to list and see it has generated one binary a.out. To run that binary, you have to just type a command dot slash and give that command, give that binary and enter. So here it is printing hello Linux. After that the shell prompt is coming. After the program ends, it's again come back to its shell program. So this is very simple. I'll just tell you how it happened. So we have a GCC compiler. You can just run gcc -help to see what and all options GCC has. GCC is a command that runs a C compiler. You can just see, if you type the GCC command and give an option of -help, it will show all other options you can provide. So there is one option, you can see -o file, place the output into file. So whatever output GCC compiler returns when you compile a C file, you can redirect it to other output file. This time if I'll give -o option and some hello, so this time it will not generate a.out, it will instead generate hello. So it has successfully compiled. You do ls to list the available files in the directory. You can see it has generated one hello file here. Same thing we'll run dot slash and we'll give hello and enter. So it has run and it has printed hello Linux. So this is all I have done from my side. So if you have any doubts, any clarifications you need, you can write it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, if you want any improvement or any other things, you can write in the comment section below. If you want more such type of videos, please do subscribe us and please give us a thumbs up if you like it. Give us a thumbs down if you don't like it, and please share our feedback. That will really help me to make more other videos for you. Thank you.